Hello, follow along with me as I go over how to install Google Chrome on Windows client machines in a domain via group policy. I demonstrate how to install Chrome, but you can install any software that has an MSI installation file using the same principles. Let's begin. First, download the MSI Google Chrome Standalone Enterprise MSI from the link provided in the description. Open Group Policy Management and expand to your domain structure. If you haven't set up any custom OUs, you will have to create a new OU in Active Directory Users and Computers, as the default OUs will not be displayed. I will create one called Clients and move my Windows 11 client machine into that OU. Refresh your Group Policy console and you should see the newly created OU. Right-click on it and select Create a GPO in this domain and give it the GPO a title name. Right-click on it and select Edit. Under Computer Configuration, expand Policies, then Software Settings. Click Software Installation, then right-click in the white space. Select New, then Package. Browse to the location of where the MSI is installed, but note you will have to reference it by the share name. For instance, you will need to have the appropriate share permissions, at least read permissions for the machine to reach it and reference it by the actual share name. This is important. If not, you will get this error message. The reference source displayed here should read like this: server name, share name, install file.msi. Make sure Assigned is selected and click OK to deploy. Group policies are refreshed on reboots or by default every 90 minutes, but let's switch to a Windows client machine and reboot it to force the update. If we immediately log back into the client machine, you might notice it will take some time as the software is being installed. As we can see, Chrome is now installed. This concludes this demonstration video. In the next video, I will demonstrate how to set a home page in Chrome via GPO as well. Thanks for watching. Brought to you by AIP Solutions.